Have you ever avoided yourself from speaking because you were too afraid to make mistakes? You thought, what if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? Well, do not worry. This is real fear, and this happens with a lot of learners. Hello, everybody. I am Sufi. I am a TOEFL certified language trainer, and I have been teaching English for the past 3 years. Let's dive into the video. I am going to share the three powerful methods that will help you improve your confidence and speak confidently. First and foremost thing, aim for communication, not for perfection. I have learned all the time through my experience, we focus a lot on ourselves. What if I make mistakes? What if people laugh at me? And focus is not on the conversation but on ourselves. You take too seriously while having conversation. When we talk to people, the main message is to communicate, is to share our opinions, not to showcase our language. The main focus should be on communication. A lot of podcasts you must have seen. What do they do? What they do not focus on communication. Like they focus on delivering their message. So first thing, you have to do it. And I'm not saying that you don't need to work on your English. You don't need to focus the way you speak. No, you need to. But while speaking, you do not have to worry about it. When they talk, next person is better than you, and maybe their background is different. They start judging themselves. Um, they start judging themselves. They think I'm not good enough, and over there they just lose confidence. Stop comparing. You don't know their story. Their background is different. Maybe they come from a background where everyone speaks in English. Why are you disrespecting yourself? Stop judging yourself. Stop comparing. This just ruins your confidence. Next, change your words. Never say that I don't know English. I am learning. I am working on my English. Your words every day. Like, have you ever seen when you listen to song? What happens? The sort of song you listen, you feel in the same way. For example, if you listen energetic song, you feel energetic. When you listen to emotional, slow motion song, you feel in that way. If you're telling yourself every day you're not good, I'm not good, I'm not good, what will happen to you? This is also vibration. You will not be good. You will lose your confidence. Oh, my boss speaks in a very good way, my manager speaks, oh my god, the way they speak, it sounds so good. Well, why do you have to compare yourself? You don't know their story. You don't know who, from where they come, and what is your background. You don't know at all. Why the heck you have to compare? You're working on yourself. So what you have to do, shift your focus, change your words. This is so powerful. Do not take for granted. Change your words the way you use for yourself. Every day tell yourself, I speak confidently, I speak confidently, I am working on myself, I know I can do it, I am capable of doing it, I know everything works in my favor. When you do it constantly, when you change your words, this is so powerful. When you change your words, completely change your destination. Start doing it from today onwards. You will see the miracle. Last, afraid to make mistakes. Oh my goodness. A lot of learners are like, what if people laugh at me? What if, like, fear of being judged? This is just stopping you all the time from becoming a great speaker. You are just not allowing yourself. You have a great potential, but all the time you are so afraid to make mistakes. When I make videos, back in my mind, a lot of things run in my mind. It's like, what am I speaking? And when I watch videos, it just come, oh, here I made a mistake. In flow, I just made the mistake. It just comes in my mind. But it doesn't mean I'll stop making videos though because I'm making mistake. It's just about learning. All the time you improve. When I observe myself, when I reflect back on the video, I feel, oh, here I made the mistake. When I meticulously observe, I'm not stopping myself. I am still making videos. Same thing, you have to do it. Even if you make mistake, it's fine. Just go for it. Make mistakes. Make more mistakes. And by making mistakes, one day you will speak right. If you're speaking right now wrong, by making mistakes, you will speak right. Correct English, right? You have to allow yourself to make mistakes. This is the biggest problem. People try to become perfect everywhere. And some people also learn this language just to impress people. Don't live in an illusion. Don't live an illusion. Speak to express, not to impress. Literally. And the people who try to impress, the more insecure they are. So be bold, Be real, be genuine, and speak from your heart. People do not judge you. And stop over analyzing. So, if I have to analyze, first, aim for communication, not for perfection. Second, change your words the way you use. Change your words. Third, make more mistakes. That's how you build confidence. That's how you learn each passing day. If you follow these methods seriously, you will be completely a different person. Follow this and let me know in the comment section what recently you did and what challenges you are facing. Let me know in the comment section. Bye. And yes, reminder, I am going to start soon spoken English batch. If anybody wants to enroll themselves, you can text me personally. Bye.